Hello. All right, just some quick notes about this project. It was based off a very old painting I did, probably late 90s, early 2000s. Might have been my second attempt at airbrushing on a piece of cardboard, and the original is long gone. I do have these photographs of it, which I used as a reference to build the 3D model in Blender, and just kept working on it and working on it to create that atmosphere and a mood, more or less, and ended up making a quick little motion graphic out of it. It's way beyond anything I intended to. I could probably keep messing with the Blender image or final render to dial it in a little tighter, but I really like that look that the Cycles has in the preview because it has a very painterly look to it. I almost like it better than the final render from Cycles because it comes out looking a lot more like that airbrush look with that mood and that hand painted feel to it. But anyway, that's what I was up to here. I really went down a rabbit hole with DaVinci Resolve and adding sound effects to it. Like I said, way more than I wanted to do, but it was a fun little project, and I do have to stop and cut it short to get to some other things. All right, if you tuned in, thanks for watching. Bye.